Today I'm going to show you how I cut wood in my bandsaw so I can save my planer blades. Okay, this is the piece of wood. You can see it's horribly cut. Best way I like to do this is with a nice flat surface, and this plexiglass works pretty good. You line it up along your fence and you determine where I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut around here. I'm just going to take a big chunk off, say about there. To do this, a lot of it requires a steady hand. And you're just going to slide it through, cut at the same time. This is what I cut. You can see it's almost straight. That was a really wonky piece of wood, and you just have to keep it almost perfectly straight as you push it through. Now that's using a flat surface as a guide. The trick is to push it through at the same time. It's only going to take 1 or 2 passes to have that perfectly flat with the jointer. Pretty close to straight, nice and easy, and that's just with the bandsaw. Then once you go over it with your jointer or your planer, it'll be flat. And thanks for watching the video.